What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you have noticed, but my surroundings are different because I moved. I'm in a new home and it feels really good just to kind of get a fresh start somewhere new. So that's why you guys haven't really kind of heard a lot from me. I didn't have Wi-Fi for a few days, so I wasn't able to make any content or use my internet to upload any videos or anything like that. So here we are, finally. I'm excited, we're finally back, we're ready to go. Before we get into today's video, just a friendly reminder to go ahead and hit that little subscribe button and also the bell right next to it. That way you'll get notified for whenever I make new videos so you can see whatever I'm creating. And also that little thumbs up, again, that means so much to me, and seriously, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much in advance. I love you all, okay? I love ya. So I just wanted to make kind of like, not really like a quick video, but just something kind of simple today. I just wanted to show you guys how I compost. So I live in the city. I don't have a yard. This balcony here is about the yard that it gets. I live in an apartment building, so I have no garden or anything like that. So I wanted to take you guys along today and show you how I compost and what I do when I am ready to drop off my compost. Since I live in the city and don't have a yard, I essentially just freeze my compost, and then whenever I feel necessary, I just go ahead and take it to Mom's Organic Market, which is located in Center City. Today I'm gonna head out to Mom's Organic Market. I need a couple of things in bulk, so I figured I would bring along my compost and bring you guys along and show you guys how easy it is to compost, even if you don't have a yard. So before we leave, I just wanted to show you real quick what my compost situation looks like. So I store my compost here in the freezer. I essentially just keep a brown paper bag in the freezer because brown paper bags are compostable. And I will just go ahead and throw all of my compost in this bag and freeze it. The reason I freeze it is because, well, you know, rotten food smells. So in order to keep those scents out of my home, I go ahead and freeze it, and that way it doesn't stink or anything like that. So I'll just store this right in my freezer, and whenever I'm ready to take it, I will just take this whole bag with me. So taking a look inside my compost bag here, you'll see all of my compost that I kind of just store right in here. This is what it looks like when it is frozen. So I will just take this out, bring the entire bag with me, and let's get going to Mom's now, shall we? Alright, you guys, I am back from Mom's. See how easy that is? Literally so easy. So, I mean, clearly not everybody's from Philadelphia, not everybody has a Mom's Organic Market by them, but all I recommend is for you to just look up your local composting facility. If you literally just Google compost facilities near me, or like look up your local township or anything like that, a lot of like garden centers will take compost. So yeah, if you just like do your research from wherever you're from, you can just kind of look up what accepts compost, where you can take your compost. But essentially, if you don't have a yard, if you live in the city, or you know, you don't have anywhere to store your compost, this is going to be the easiest way for you. I highly encourage composting because 40% of our food gets thrown away. Like, that's just so crazy to me. Like, think about all the homelessness that's out there, like people that are starving, and we're just sitting here throwing away food when we could be putting it back into the earth. It'll break down into soil and we can grow things from it. So I think it's so silly that we just throw food away when these are such simple steps that we could take to reduce our food waste. If you have any questions about composting, please let me know in the comments below. I have links to my website and my Instagram. You can reach me on any of those social media websites. I'll totally answer you. We can chit chat. Let's do it. I'm down. Let me help you out compost. But yeah, seriously, composting is as simple as that. So I hope this video really helped you guys today. I hope it really showed you how easy composting really is. So thank you guys again so much for joining me today, and I will see you all next week.